Oh, it's dark. Hey, don't mess up my paperwork. You darn bird. Yeah, that's an old fish tank and an old hamster tank. Uh-oh, birdie just went in there. Don't get stuck. It's probably not the best place to go, you bird. Oh, hell, that bird's gonna get all stuck up in there. This is probably not gonna turn out very good, because those are hamster cages stored inside of my fish tank. Because both of those are now not alive. And, I had nowhere to put this stuff. But this bird is now... Knuckles. Yeah, I just woke up. Oh, I think it's gonna work its way out. Maybe it's not as stupid as I thought. I woke up to this crap. Like, I was just sleeping. And this bird's just like... Come on, bird. Get out of there. God. Yeah, well, you told me to make a video, so I did. See? Yeah, made a video. Bye. I'll get to figure this bird thing out. Oh well.